Well, hello everybody, it's chime time here. I got a new clock today. This is I don't know what brand this is, but it does say 11 Cadglin Place, London, so it's a London clock. I got this from the Salvation Army, and this clock did need some repairs. The face was coming out, so I did hot glue. Um, Sorry, my phone's ringing. Let me turn that off. I did, hot glue this clock together. It's a temporary fix. I will hot glue it better later on, but it's holding for now. But I got this clock from the Salvation Army for like $20, which is not too bad, especially for a clock this size. If you guys are wondering where the boot temp is, it's right here. But I don't have all the other clocks on now because we're gonna listen to this chime. Yes, this is a chiming clock. It plays Westminster chimes. You can kind of see the chime box right there a little bit. But yeah, this clock does play Westminster chimes. It does not have an external speaker. The speaker is actually built into the chime box, which is actually pretty cool. So we are about to record this clock playing Westminster chimes on its own for the first time. Normally, it would start chiming right now. That's when I got it, but it doesn't do that. Let's see. Just want to make sure these people didn't leave a voicemail or something. So I might have to check it later. I got a text message. That's nothing I really care about. Alright. Sorry about that. I did also do a review of my new skeleton clock over there, but I'll probably upload these together. You can hear the air go in the bathroom. It's in the bathroom now because the hands are doing this thing. It's doing the same thing the Kundo's doing. So I have it in the bathroom. I'll be uploading that video because that's a video I did when I first put it in there. But here we go. Might as well set this one off now. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and bye.